Birds of Willpatthu National Park. Safari sightings from the 14th of June 2025. During your safari through Willpatthu National Park, you're likely to encounter a variety of fascinating bird species. The following photos were captured on June 14, 2025, and showcase some of the remarkable wildlife spotted during the journey. Black-backed dwarf kingfisher. This tiny, vividly colored forest bird measures only about 13 centimeters in length. Despite its name, the black-backed dwarf kingfisher primarily feeds on insects, small lizards, crabs, and occasionally frogs. It typically inhabits dense forest undergrowth near streams or moist areas. Malabar pied hornbill. One of the most iconic birds of Sri Lanka's dry zone forests, the Malabar pied hornbill stands out with its large yellow and black casque, glossy black plumage, and striking white patches on its belly, tail, and wings. It's commonly seen in both Willpatthu and parts of peninsular India. Crested hawk eagle and slender loris. This dramatic moment was captured on the morning of June 14, 2025, in Willpatthu. A crested hawk eagle was seen feeding on a slender loris, a rare and emotional sight that reflects the raw, often harsh realities of the natural world. Sri Lankan shama, white-rumped shama, Cocycus malabaricus legi. The Sri Lankan shama, a subspecies of the white-rumped shama, is known for its melodious song and elegant plumage. Endemic to Sri Lanka, it thrives in forested areas and is celebrated for its beauty and vocal talents. Thank you.